No Morphe. I found something good for us. Okay, wait for me. Okay, that's for you. Take it. Oh shit, Aerox Family. That's a gift for me. Yo, that's nice. Yeah. Oh damn, man. Oh shit, I got you, man. Let's do this. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video till the end. We haven't posted any new Aerox video for a long time, so now we are decided to come back on YouTube with new episodes. If you are already Aerox Family follower, you know that we are going to make giveaway on this Aerox. We are going to make full rebuilding on it, including an engine also, and then give it away to the winner who participated in the giveaway. And above that, we would like to give away a few more gifts for you guys. But for that, you need to keep up with our newest post on Instagram and YouTube to find out. System is very easy. You are buying entry ticket, we are adding your name to the participant list, and after that you are getting accepted in the VIP Aerox Family page and invited in WhatsApp chat group. And as another little gift, we will send you our special Aerox Family keychain in blue or white color. You can participate from any country. If the winner will be from Europe, then after Aerox will be done, we are going to make Euro tour and do some meetups in countries on our way. Of course, if there will not be restrictions of COVID-19. And for the end, I want to inform you that when you buy something from our merch, it gives you a bonus participation point. For example, if you buy one giveaway entry ticket, one hoodie, one sticker pack, it gives you already 7 times your name in the participation list. That gives you more chances to win the prizes. And more information you can also read in our website that I will link under this video in description. Thanks for everyone that already participated and supports us. And now we are going to show you how to buy entry ticket. Good luck for everyone, and see you in next episodes.